In this video, I'll show you the sharing tactics that turn leave behinds from sent and forgotten to viewed and converted. Most leave behinds should go out via email. It's async, it's traceable, and it's easy to forward internally. You want to structure the email with number 1, brief context, say 2 to 3 sentences max, the demo link, which is prominent but not varied, and 3, clear CTA for next step. To start using this across teams, you can create reusable follow-up templates in platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Outreach. Use dynamic variables and trackable links for your Supademo, so you can personalize your demo for each prospect without creating new demos for every lead, all while maintaining viewer-specific tracking. Speaking of tracking, this is where leave behinds become a superpower. You can see exactly who watched what. First, set up notifications. This lets you know immediately when your leave behind gets viewed and interacted with. This is your signal to follow up while you're top of mind. You can do this with our Slack, Zapier, or HubSpot integrations. Next, prioritize hot leads. Prospects who watched your demo 3 times or shared it with 2 colleagues are much more serious than those who never opened it. This helps you prioritize your time and effort accordingly. Third, identify stuck deals. In the same way, no engagement or multiple follow-ups, the deal might be dead or you're talking to the wrong person. It's time to try a different contact or move on. And fourth, this helps you refine your messaging. If viewers consistently drop off at the same point in your demo, that section isn't landing. You can go ahead and fix it, remove it, chop it up. And lastly, this helps you report on leave behind influence. Track in your CRM deals where leave behinds were sent, engagement levels like views, shares, and completion, and correlation with win rates or deal velocity. Our 2026 research shows that sales efficiency ranks as a top 5 impact area across customers of Supademo, with 62% of teams rating it as high impact. Leave behind tracking is how you measure and improve upon that impact. Success in sharing isn't just about sending and hoping it works out. Use emails with clear context, use dynamic variables with tracking, encourage internal sharing, and follow up based on engagement signals, and ultimately use this to prioritize your pipeline.